When it comes to organizing your work, two giants stand out. But which one actually works best for you? On one side, the intuitive and collaborative Asana. On the other, the customizable and powerful Airtable. We're going to test them in the ways you really use them. Project management, customization, integrations, cost, collaboration, and more. Forget the empty promises and marketing terms. Let's see what these tools can really do. We'll score each category, so you'll know exactly who comes out on top by the end. And trust me, the winner just might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, so here are all the buckets we'll compare these two on. Price, project, and task management, flexibility and customization, collaboration and integration, reporting and visualization, and finally, the ecosystem. Got it? Cool, let's break down each one. First up, let's talk about price. Asana actually gives you a pretty good free plan right off the bat with unlimited tasks, so you're not running into a wall after a week. And if you want to upgrade, it's just a flat monthly rate, nothing weirdly confusing. But yeah, you do have to pay for the more advanced stuff. Now, Airtable's free plan is also solid, especially if your team is small or maybe you're just poking around. They do offer these granular pay-as-you-grow upgrades, which sounds great at first. But here's the catch. If your team gets bigger or you start needing automation, that bill can shoot up fast. So if we're talking pure value and predictability, honestly, Asana takes this one. Project and task management. This is where Asana basically goes, please, let me show off. It's literally designed for this job. Dependencies, timelines, workflows, the whole 9 yards. If you're dealing with a lot of moving parts, it just feels right. Not saying Airtable's weak because, hey, you can make Kanban boards, calendars, and all kinds of custom views. But those relationships between tasks, not as deep. It's great for data with a sprinkle of project stuff, but it's not built for the Asana level management. So yeah, another point to Asana level management. Hands down. Now, flexibility and customization. Okay, this is where I get super excited about Airtable. You can basically build a mini database for anything, not just projects. CRM, inventory, social calendar, you name it. The flip side? Yeah, it can be a little intimidating at first. There's a ton you can tweak, which is awesome if you have the time or patience. Asana's more, let's say, template-driven. It keeps you focused, but honestly, you're locked into their idea of a project. So for pure creative workflow freedom, Airtable all the way. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the original Airtable prototype? Yeah, it was built in just 3 weeks. That's unreal speed for something this powerful. Collaboration and integration time. Both tools do a great job here. Asana lets you assign, comment, tag, and the native integrations. Slack, Teams, Google, make everything play nice. Some of those are locked behind prettier Asana plans though. Airtable? The automations are next level, and sharing views is stupidly easy. Their integration marketplace is growing, even if, yeah, you'll sometimes need a paid plan for fancier permissions. But honestly, it's too close to call. This one's a tie. Both make teamwork way simpler. Let's talk reporting and visualization. So if charts, dashboards, fancy graphs are your jam, Airtable kinda runs the table here. The number of ways you can slice, sort, and visualize data in Airtable is wild. Yes, you might need some extensions for the shiniest stuff, but still. Asana can do calendars, timelines, and those simple dashboards, but if you want really custom reports, it's pretty basic. So Airtable takes this round easy. Finally, the ecosystem. Asana's got a pretty active template gallery, and honestly, their mobile app is way better than I expected. Tons of people use it, which means more tips, more fixes online. Airtable, on the other hand, has a massive gallery of templates and extensions, and if you want to do anything wild, the API community is legit booming. Sometimes you have to use Zapier to link Airtable to other stuff, but generally, both ecosystems are super lively. So I don't think there's a clear winner here. It's a tie. Alright, if we look at the scores, it starts to tell a story. As wonky as the categories get, Asana wins on price and pure project management, while Airtable comes out swinging on flexibility and slick reporting. Some ties in there too. It's close, but not as close as you'd expect. So, here's where I land. If your main pain is project management like, you have a team, deadlines, structure, Asana's gonna feel like home. But if you want to experiment, build custom trackers, or manage all sorts of quirky data tables, Airtable is 100% your playground. Neither one feels like a bad choice, but for strict project management, Asana edges out the win this time. If this helped at all, or you just love these no-nonsense breakdowns, hit that subscribe button. I've got plenty more productivity smackdowns on the way. Thanks for hanging out.